Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Mukul Sangma ubadew MLA ke TMC. Ulaong bagi sengsan perthei kila ban Kwah Pynïasoh bat ki Hynrei ma upan udan ke Jingthmu ban le aka ke udan kam ban le. Ya kani ulakran hakilar pathai khubor hadian bakila kali halor ke jingkran na kinong yalam ke Kongres bagi pedang snobhai ula da uwan ban Pynïasoh biang syakaseng. Dr. Mukul ulaong ba ukwa ban trei nak Bynta ke Jylla kenang baka Jylla kan yo aka lawe ke bapernai baga Jylla kan pau haga kerteng bat kanam haga ba man ki pateng kin sngo sarong bagi dan bentalang haga jing penwandur bat thau penbha ya ke Jylla haba kali la uab hadu banda yo da we ke sarkar Dr. Mukul ulaong bha kam politik kam dan kanu kanu jing tho lepa halor ke jing kan ria haga nu kanu seng san perthei namar baka kam san perthei ka ya pher bat ke deiru ka kam ka ba e bha ulaong Shosho habakali ula ukwa ban penpra ya ke NPP Dr. Mukul ulaong babale unkwa ban penpra ya ke NPP dak babenrap ba umjule eki kam ki balong persha wat hakapor ba udang don hakapor umjule ya kum kini Hynrei ujuburom ya ke rai jang upat ba namal bakari ka dei ka basen sha de ki pat ba kumta de ban kenmau ba barabor de ban yat kat gum kata ka nongrem long Dr. Mukul Dr. Mukul ulaong ru ba TMC kampat la ban thau sarkar Hynrei ki MLA ki badan haka ki trei nak benta upat ba ngidon hakaliang persya dak bang ngidon ya kata jingmut ban trei hok ban syakri upat ba ulaong
Please to welcome you to your meeting.
Who?
NCP.
No. It's various other political parties may desire to have, not only me, many others. So that's their desire. But then my purpose is to do what I can do and to do what I need to do to leave behind a state which can be considered as one of the most vibrant and livable state with name, fame, where generations after generations, our people will take pride in being part of this great story of building the state for in generations, coming generations. So this is what we want to do. And this is my purpose. There is nothing else. Only on special occasions, God also foretold, God had to tell Noah, when the flood is going to come. Okay. That he should alert all people to repent. But then, not always. Not always. So, political strategy is also like that. Not always. We tell. There is no warning bell when you decide on a political move. Because politics is a different ballgame. It is the most complicated, most difficult business.
But will you try to break NPP now?
No, why should I break NPP? Do you think I will do poaching? No, I have never done poaching. In my during these long innings in politics, in public life, when we were in power, did you see us engaging under my leadership in poaching exercise, whether in district council, which could have been done easily because there is no provision of 10th schedule of the Constitution of India? We didn't do. We always respected the mandate of the people. In the true spirit of our democracy, keeping in mind the core values of this democracy. Otherwise, people do not believe us, politicians, oh, isme elect kiya hai, usme chala gaya. It's like a girlfriend who is dating 5 boyfriends. He'll end up not getting a husband. See, please remember one thing. As a TMC, after I have, along with my distinguished colleagues and friends and supporters and the foot soldiers, multitudes of foot soldiers, march into this new political entity, TMC. After the election, we have not received a mandate to form a government. We have not received a mandate. After the election, there was, coming together of different political parties to form a government, an alternative government. But it didn't happen for whatever reasons. And I had only 5 MLAs. So I had to respect the mandate. But having said this, has TMC been given the mandate to form the government? No, not yet. Have we been able to somehow serve the people by being in the hand of affairs of governance as we could while we were in the erstwhile, my grand old party? Only after you give us an opportunity, then only you should say whether this party can demonstrate its competence, capability to deliver. As of now, we are in the opposition. But are we not demonstrating our honest intention to serve the people while being in opposition? Are we not? Do people doubt? They have the right to doubt. But then, as far as we are concerned, as far as me and my team and my people and those distinguished friends in the political arena are concerned, we do our job with utmost sense of sincerity and intention. And even in GHADC, who is the opposition? Who is the opposition? The opposition is our MDCs. Have they not performed? Have they not demonstrated their commitment to serve within that limited capacity as opposition? While they were all victims of the aggressive poaching, they could not get everybody. You see, there are also people with honesty, integrity, and so-called loyalty to the purpose. So therefore, there are many people who are good, and that is the silver lining. Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya must always be alive with this hope that we have good people. More than 80% of the people think for the larger good of the state and the people. They will go out of the way to ensure that this happens. It is only a matter of time when we must all come together, have this sense of oneness because our purpose is one. Now, the politics, the political game plan is always to create this likelihood of people coming together to go in a different direction. So divided house of the opposition always will benefit the party in dispensation, because then the issue of anti-incumbency, however they're strong, they are able to then somehow get through. So anyway, I think as we approach further closer to the election, you will see many things unfolding, and 2028 is also not far away. So you will see a new political strategy and the resultant political development that will unfold. Let us put our cards close to our chest and put it on the table as and when needed, and we'll share it with you. No, not with like-minded party, but like-minded people. Yes. Because, as I have said, I have been sharing what is in my mind. I've been telling it frankly. In fact, few meetings I already had. See, since we all know the importance and the magnitude of importance and the value of the provision of the 6th Schedule of Constitution of India, as people who are recipient of this mandate of the Constitution, therefore, it is more important to look at the interests of our people than to look at the interests of the party. Are people going to decide to protect the interests of political parties, or they will have to decide to protect the interests of the people? That is what is the narrative of this GHADC politics. This coming GHADC election. Yes, as I have said, the GHADC, KHADC, and Giant Hills Autonomous District Council do not belong to any political party, but they belong to all our people, our tribes, Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo, and to protect the interests of the tribe.